Hi, I'm Alex from PySpiders Rajajinagar. I'm a Python trainer. These are student Likhith. He got placed in a company. Now he's going to share the experience about PySpiders.
Hi, my name is Likhith. I have joined this institute in the month of January, where I got place training from Keshav Sir for Python and Django from Alex Sir. Murali Sir taught me SQL, and web technologies were taught from Govind Sir. I gained a lot of experience and a lot of coding knowledge from this institute. So I thank the PySpiders Rajajinagar for this experience and helping me to gain on the get placed in the internship.
Okay. How placement activities were helpful to crack the interview?
Like lectures were used to coordinate from us, like giving the details about the companies, which are the companies and what are the requirements needed for the companies. And there was also grooming taken for us in order to help us to clear that interview questions which will be asked further. So this would be help me to a lot to crack the interviews.
I wish him all the best for the grade.